Alright YouTube, this is our scope with the Disassemble video of the We Had Capa 5.1 Dragon. So what you do is the Allen wrench screw that it came with, take it out of the bag, and before you always take the slide off for every gas blowback pistol is remove the magazine. Then on the bottom of the gun you see this black little keyhole. You put your screw in it, and then you start twirling left. It depends which side the gun is facing. Take the little screw off. Make sure you don't lose it. And this front part, which is probably kind of like a striker head, slide that off. And then, if you can see that, there's this part, this big rectangular looking part, and then behind that is a tiny little loop. You want to make your this part of the slide catch, like right here, line up with that. So kind of like this. Kind of like that, and on the other side of the gun is a little black button. You push that in, so then you push it, and then your slide catch will little like pop out. Put that to the side, and then your whole upper slide will fall, or your slide will slide right out. Then what you do is your slide catch, or your spring guide, and then you see this little piece right here that will hold your spring guide in. You push that in and use your fingers to pull it out, and then you lift your spring guide out, so like up and out, and make sure you don't lose that, and then you're ready to pull your barrel out. And then basically you have your slide and your barrel and your spring and your spring guide. And your hop up is a basic hop up wheel, just like in a lot of gas blowbacks. I do not know if you could see that. Let me go get some light. Alright, yeah, right there. I don't think you still can see it. A little black wheel. No, I don't think you can see. Oh yeah, you can see it right there. And reverse process. Push it in right here. And you get your spring guide and your spring and your little cap right here. And push it down. And make sure the cap part is facing downwards when you put it in. So like, so you push it in here and make sure it's down. It'll go in. And there you go. And you have your little rail right here, or it's a little open part. And you got your rail. Yeah, and you just slide it, or you got your rails right here, and you put it on top of the slide, and you slide it back, and then you get your slide catch, and do the same thing to the hole right about there, and you get your slide catch, you insert it, and you hear a snap sound, and you get your little striker head, place it in there, get your little screw, and your little iron screw, and then you screw it back in. just a little bit tight. And then put your mag back in. Cock it. And shoot. So that's the basic disassembly of this gun, the Capa 5.1 Dragon. If you want more information or detail about this gun, message me or put a comment below. And this is Airsoft Scope. Subscribe and comment.